If you've been appointed as an executor and you're considering making a family provision claim, should you accept your role as executor? Which means you're essentially acting for the estate, but also going to make a claim against the estate. I would say generally in that position, most executors would renounce their role. But if you're going to renounce your role, you need to do that right at the beginning. I would also be suggesting that you go and get some legal advice. I have certainly acted in an estate where the executor stayed on in their capacity as executor, even though they made a family provision claim. It was quite a complex matter and there was 4 other executors. So what happened was my client, who was one of the executors making the claim, acted as executor for all the other tasks, like when there was a choice of selling a real estate asset, signing contracts, applying for probate. They did all of those things. But when we came to the family provision claim, it was my client versus the other 4 executors. And that's in New South Wales. It may be different in different states, but certainly if you're in a position where you've been appointed as an executor and you are considering making a claim on that estate, I would suggest that before you sign any documents to apply for probate or engage an estate solicitor, that you go and get some independent advice from a solicitor acting for you about whether you should make a family provision claim and about whether you should accept your role as executor or not.